Umitirang ba kajala Meghalaya konrad ke sangma haka Pneuterik Risaw Arjar Pusaw Ulawan Banisimenta haka program ha University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM Kmen halo ke Mynjur ka National Medical Commission NMC yaka PA sangma International Medical College and Hospital PIMC. Hakani ke jelang lai don lang dak Dr. Mazil Amprin Lingdo Menteri Badai Kmi yak tan ka koi kakhia u iti mandal menteri tan boarding uba balajit kupar sendram amle ka shela ka sora dini ke sangma kurem ulet PA sangma kabadai ka kmi u konrad ke sangma bat u chancellor ka USTM uma bubble hek haba jingkran mentirang ba ula ai khuble ya ka USTM halo ka ni ka sinjam dak basongu ya UGP Nanda Menteri Ketenangan Health and Family Welfare Sarkar India ubal ajing kersan Mynjur sispa sanposi di kisamla puli doktor hakani ke university ulong bakinong ilam kum uliet PA sangma uliet Dr. Donkupar bat kiwei pat kidei kinong IMC bat kilayang ban job ikjing ibabun Haswa ka jingkan mentirang ba u chancellor ka USTM uma bubble hek ulong ba unthau ya ka wei ka dental college ban pinsa nam yo lead Dr. Donkupar mentirang ba barim ka chala hakani ka singi ki samla puli ka university kila ai ka jingshat ba jing rawai ban penlong ka program ka pasongkun
day an important celebration and a milestone which I don't have to explain but has been achieved after great effort and work that has been put in by the family of USTM. I first of all would like to take this opportunity to really congratulate Mr. Hawk and the entire team at USTM on this great and amazing milestone of getting the approval from the NMC for a 150-seat medical college, the P.A. Sama International Medical College. Something very touching to see that Mr. Hawk has named this medical college after late P.A. Sama. I think this is another very important quality I've seen in Mr. Hawk, is that when he gets connected with somebody, the years may pass, but he doesn't forget. You have seen Mr. Balajit Syndrome this year. He's our Honorable MLA, son of late Donkupar, the Chief Minister who gave the USTM the bill and the act to set up this university, and not more than that, gave the entire permissions, spacing, everything. And Mr. Balajit Syndrome is sitting here with us. Though Dr. Donkupar is not here, I'm sure he is looking down from above, and I'm very happy to see that the seeds that he had sown in 2008, or the nurturing that he had allowed, and the space that he had given, has today led to an institute like this, which is today shaping the lives of our youngsters, shaping their future, and more importantly, shaping the future of our region, our state, and the country as a whole. Was a person who believed in investing in our youth. He used to always tell us that the greatest investment a government can do is to invest in its youth. Because the returns that come out of that is just, unlimited. You just don't know what kind of returns you may get. Because it's unlimited. That's how great investments in the youngsters is what P.A. Sama believed. These are his values that he had. And he instilled those values in us to ensure that when we also came in as a government, education was one of the most important things for us. There are a lot of challenges. I'm not saying that we've been able to solve everything. But the focus, the decisions that we take today are much easier for us because there are principles and values that have been set in our mind, in our hearts, allows us to make those decisions much quicker.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F. plus F
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batte ye Kmen. Namar kata habat thiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki mar bam medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.